up, everybody? Today we just came back from Walmart. If you guys could see Walmart over there, it's literally raining so hard. It almost broke our umbrella. Look, see that car? It's flooding. Watch. It's flooding. Look. It's flooding right now. The rain is so hard. Look how soaked I am. These are perfectly gray and now they're all wet. I'm soaking wet. My dad is soaking wet. And my mom, not that much because she stayed in Walmart. Look guys. It's like raining a lot. Right now there was a big thunderstorm, huh Dad? There was a big thunderstorm right now. Look, guys. We're literally, look, guys, over there, it's perfectly sunny. And over here, what? Now it's not raining as hard anymore because over there, I don't know if you guys could see that. Right here, it's all cloudy. Starting from here, it's not like all cloudy. But over here, it's all cloudy, guys. We already got this too. It's flooding. Watch, guys. That car over there. Dad, is there gonna be lots of accidents today?
Hopefully not.
Oh, guys, it's raining so hard. Look, even inside of our car is soaked. Guys, it is raining so hard. I want to sit in the front to record better. Look what my dad just did. Guys, I'm literally scared right now. Joe, if you're seeing this, tell me how much it's raining in Sacramento.
It's not.
Is
Might be, I don't know.
Is it raining at Sacramento?
It's raining hard.
Yeah. It's literally raining right now, hard. Why do we have all of these lines? I don't know. But there's lines. Guys. Oh, here's a flood. This is a flood right here. This is a flood. I'm gonna move this pizza box into the middle and I'm gonna go over here. And then I need to move my dad's hat. Move it over there. What if I lower the window? Would it get soaked? Look, guys. Right here soaked. We're just going to the gas station right now. My dad's gonna go out. Should I go? To pay?
Ahora si quieres ir. ¿Tenemos que hacer esto si te hace daño?
Oh, stop. Oh, we're under here. No wonder. Go, Dad.
¿Cuánto es pues?
My dad's gonna go right now. So I'm lowering the window here because Dad, I can't lower the window. But I could open my door because like it's not raining here. Look, guys, look. Look how hard it's raining. It's soaking wet. Guys, look out the truck. It's soaking wet and we have like waters and Gatorade back there. Look, he's running because it's so soaking wet. I'm just gonna get out of the truck real quick, but I'm still gonna be under here, Dad. You almost were stopping. Look. Guys, it's literally raining so freaking hard. Look. That guys can see all those drops, maybe it's raining so hard. Ugh. I'm getting back in the car. It's freezing out there too. My dad's going. We just got little scissors. There he goes. He just jumped over that because that piece, it's soaking. I'm still getting wet. The rain's coming over here. My dad's inside. AM, PM. Está lloviendo muy recio.
¿Nunca habías visto una lluvia así?
No.
No. ¿Y yo?
If you guys
Allá
talk,
en México sí llueve de resto.
if you guys don't talk Spanish, what I was saying, it was raining so hard, and she said, yes, sir. Tú nunca, she said, I know you never seen rain so hard like this, and I said no, and no, and my mom's like, it rains so hard, harder than this in Mexico. And that's right, just right there. He's gonna put in gas. Dad, how hard was the rain? How hard was the rain? What a nose! What a nose!
I'm all wet.
Oh my god.
That over there.
Huh? I know, that's what I was showing them. That's a big pile. Look, guys, look how hard he's getting rain.
Okay.
It's all soaky right now. Dad, have you seen this hard rain before?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, definitely when the lights turned off a long time ago, there was no power, it was super hard wind, and there was a lot of rain. It knocked down our biggest and widest tree.
Okay. There. Keep recording.
Huh? Like once like when we were at my house, then all the lights turned off, and then like the wind was so hard, and there was a big tree like this big, and like super tall. It got knocked down so hard. It was so hard. Yeah, it's raining so hard.
Okay. Alright.
Okay guys, so I hope you guys liked this video of this rain. It was so hard, so I hope you guys liked this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye!